Even human when we think. Uh, 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 てるやっと何泣いたやろぬでさこの子らやさなんやのもうバイバイ Okay, so like this is Ryan, right? Uh yep, definitely Ryan. He is silver. So what if he actually is silver? Maybe a silver train? Silver train. Aha! I found the true Ryan. Can't you see that these are some quality trains? Yes, train wreck, of course, like anyway. Deja vu, na 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 na, deja vu. What the fuck? Maybe that's Ryan. He's probably like that one or something. I don't even know. Anyway, the deja vu. Okay, that background. Anyway, I should probably stop criticizing these trains. They've been through so much. Pilot, a silver train pilot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Aha. Rusty silver trains. That's right. A rusty silver train. That's right there. He's so beautiful. I'm so proud of him. Yes. Deja vu. Da 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 I'll just stop the video right now. Okay, bye.